Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Today we're settling the debate. Which dual-channel dash cam actually delivers for your wallet and your demands? The traditional ROVE R2-4K DUAL or the innovative WOLFBOX G840S mirror cam? We've put both through their paces to give you the clear, unbiased truth you need to decide. Stick with us, and you'll walk away knowing exactly which one is tailor-made for you. First off, let's talk about their fundamental design and how they present information. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL is a compact, traditional dash cam, featuring a 3-inch IPS non-touch screen that mounts discreetly on your windshield. It focuses on being unobtrusive, providing a quick live view and playback, while keeping your main line of sight clear. Its strength is its minimal footprint, blending into your car's interior. Its most frustrating drawback is undeniably the small, non-touch screen and button-only controls, making navigation and footage review on the device less intuitive. In stark contrast, the WOLFBOX G840S is a 12-inch full touchscreen mirror dash cam designed to replace or clip over your existing rearview mirror. This means a significantly larger display that can show real-time streaming video from both front and rear cameras, effectively giving you a digital rearview mirror. This is a game-changer for visibility, especially for reducing blind spots. Its significant Achilles heel might be its sheer size and potential for distraction for drivers accustomed to a traditional mirror, though its 2.5D curved glass aims for an OEM look. Beyond the display, what about the raw video performance when it truly counts? The ROVE R2-4K DUAL records 4K Ultra HD, 2160p, at 30 frames per second for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera at 30 frames per second. It utilizes a Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor for the front, boasting f/1.5 aperture and excellent low-light sensitivity. The front offers a 150-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear a 140-degree angle. While it captures good detail in daylight, some reviewers still find its 4K to be upscaled, not native, and its low-light performance, while improved over older models, can still show grain or struggle with distant details in challenging conditions. Now, pivoting to a crucial point, the WOLFBOX G840S also offers 4K, 2160p at 30 frames per second, for the front camera and 1080p, at 25 frames per second, for the rear camera, with wider 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle views. It integrates WDR and HDR technology and a 6-layer glass lens. Where the WOLFBOX puts up a fierce fight is its enhanced night vision. Thanks to its larger sensors and WDR/HDR, the consensus leans towards the G840S providing marginally superior clarity and reduced glare in very dark environments, making it a particularly strong performer for night driving visibility. Its robust rear camera is also IP68 waterproof, offering flexible installation options outside the vehicle. Powering your day is critical, so let's deep dive into parking mode features and device endurance. Both the ROVE R2-4K DUAL and the WOLFBOX G840S wisely utilize a supercapacitor instead of traditional lithium-ion batteries. This is a massive pro, ensuring superior durability and safety in extreme hot and cold temperatures, significantly extending product life and preventing heat-related failures. Both offer 24-hour parking monitoring with G-sensor impact detection, motion detection, and time-lapse options. However, for continuous parking surveillance, a separate hardwire kit is absolutely required for both, which is not included in the standard package. Without it, parking mode only functions briefly via the Supercapacitors reserve. A unique selling point for the ROVE R2-4K DUAL is its voice guidance for parking mode alerts, notifying you upon vehicle startup if an event occurred while parked. The WOLFBOX G840S has shifted to a USB-C power supply, which provides more stable power delivery and reduces potential power-related issues, a minor but appreciated upgrade. Moving on from the raw specs, what about the overall ownership experience and connectivity? The ROVE R2-4K DUAL excels with its built-in dual-band 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS. The ROVE app is genuinely excellent, offering blazing fast up to 20 megabytes per second download speeds, making it incredibly easy to view, download, and share footage directly from your phone. It also supports over-the-air, OTA, firmware updates via the app. Its voice guidance feature for system status is also a helpful addition. On the other hand, the WOLFBOX G840S comes with built-in GPS for real-time speed and location tracking displayed on the screen and reviewable with a dedicated player. Its 12-inch touchscreen interface is incredibly intuitive for direct control and playback in the vehicle, offering a smoother on-device experience. However, here's its brutal, honest drawback. The G840S lacks built-in Wi-Fi and a companion smartphone app. This means retrieving footage usually requires removing the microSD card and connecting it to a computer, a significant convenience trade-off for many. After dissecting every angle, for the majority of users prioritizing comprehensive road coverage with an unparalleled real-time driving view, the WOLFBOX G840S emerges as the absolute champion. Its massive 12-inch streaming rearview display and superior low-light performance fundamentally change the driving experience, making it safer and more comprehensive. Its lack of Wi-Fi is its biggest flaw, but the on-screen usability and continuous rear view often outweigh it. That being said, if your absolute non-negotiable priority is a discreet, compact windshield mount and seamless, lightning-fast smartphone Wi-Fi connectivity for file transfer and updates, then the ROVE R2-4K DUAL remains a genuinely strong contender. It's the right fit for users who value minimalist design and advanced app integration over a large mirror display, particularly those who prefer not to replace their existing rearview mirror. So that's the definitive breakdown. If this helped you finally make your choice, check the links below in the description for the latest pricing on both the ROVE R2-4K DUAL and WOLFBOX G840S. And if you want more no-nonsense comparisons like this, hit that subscribe button and like this video. We'll catch you in the next one.